Hello and welcome to Dungeon Dining with me, the Dragon, Stale Rice. You know, it's been a while since my last video, but there's a reason for that. You see, since the last time, I've actually moved. In fact, I moved out of my hometown. Needless to say, I've been very busy, especially with the con in the same month. But I'm back and I'm ready to cook. I figured for this video, I want to do a food close to home. So I'm making one of my favorite breakfasts from my mom. I'm making her country gravy. Biscuits and gravy was a great breakfast growing up, and thankfully it's easy to make. And hey, don't try to be quick and be the first one to eat. You just might regret it.
Not till we say grace.
Hey, here's the new kitchen. You see we have burners and stuff and more stuff. So let's not waste any time, let's get to cooking. So first we'll turn our pan up to medium heat. And while that heats, let me show you my prep. I have here 4 tablespoons of flour, 4 tablespoons of butter, and a cup and a half of milk. Oh, fuck. So right now we're gonna make what I call a reverse roux. Starting first with the flour. Gonna shake the pan, flatten out a little bit. And we want to brown this a little bit. We don't want to burn it, and we don't want it to be too brown. For the time being, I'm using a rubber spatula. Just toss it ever so often. Wait a few moments, but not for too long. Now, once that's a decent blonde, then we want to add our butter. Alright, I think that's blonde. So now let's add our butter. It's gonna start getting nice and bubbly. Now you might see it looks kind of like caramel. So now it's time to add our milk. But we're not done yet. We're going to stir around a bit until everything's cohesive. So then while the milk gets warmer, we're going to add some stuff to it. First, some salt to taste. Some pepper to taste. And lastly, my own mother's trick, some nutmeg. I'm going to eyeball it, but for this, all we're probably need is going to be like a teaspoon. Just keep on stirring. Alright then, let's turn off that heat. Take it off the heat. And look at that, we have ourselves some nice country gravy. And thankfully, I already have the biscuits. Now, if you want to make this recipe even better, use some ground sausage. But otherwise, we have here our finished country gravy. And there it is. Even with being so simple, biscuits and gravy is a meal that's close to my heart. And honestly, food is something that brings us all together. Reminds us of family, friends, good times, brings back memories, makes new ones. Food is something we all relate to. But in any case, thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my dungeon.